Hey you guys, hi, how are you? कैसा रहा आपका last week? Before I proceed with this week's video, I have two questions from all of you. First question is, इतने हफ्तों से जो मैं बोलती आ रही हूँ about mindfulness, आपको समझ में आ भी रहा है या नहीं? Please let me know in the comments. Even if कुछ समझ नहीं आया ना अभी तक, तब भी please comments में जाइए और मुझे बताइए कि नहीं समझ में आया. I would get back to you and would love to explain as many times as possible. Second question is कि if you have been following my series and you have been doing all the activities or tasks, even if not 100% but 70% 60% भी आपने किया है follow, and if you are seeing any changes, any results in your life, please comments में जाइए और मुझे बताइए कि yes, you are seeing certain results. I really want to talk to you guys. I want to interact with you guys. Please comments में जाइए, मुझसे बात करिए, मुझे बहुत 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 अच्छा लगेगा. So since past few weeks actually I have been getting so many questions from people that is mindfulness and meditation, are they same, are they different, what is the relation between both of them? So I thought, why not make a video about it. So today's video I will be talking about the same, and also I will be taking you through a short guided meditation, just an introductory meditation for 5 to 6 minutes. Yeah, so let's begin. When we are talking about meditation is a very huge term. It's an umbrella term, and उसके अंदर mindfulness is like a छोटा सा पार्ट. सो इट्स लाइक एक बड़ा सा ट्री है जिसको हम मेडिटेशन बोलेंगे, एंड उसका एक छोटा सा ब्रांच है, आई वुड से, विच इज माइंडफुलनेस, राइट? सो mindfulness and meditation, they are not same, they are not different, they are like mirror images of each other. दोनों एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करते हैं. माइंडफुलनेस जहाँ पे मेडिटेशन को एनरिच कर रहा है, मेडिटेशन वही माइंडफुलनेस को और नर्चर कर रहा है. सो दे आर लाइक two things which are going side by side simultaneously with each other. दो एक जैसी चीज है, they might seem they are one but they are not. They are different concepts to be understood. You have been following my series, so आपको पता है when I'm talking about mindfulness is your total awareness into this very moment. Meditation can take you to other time frames also. There are certain type of meditation where you go back in your past to resolve your problems. When we are talking about mindfulness, you are coming here and now in this very moment. So this is another difference. In meditation you can be in any other time frame also, but for mindfulness you are here and now. One another major difference is when we talk about meditation is it is a state of nothingness. So whenever, in most of the cases, whenever you are doing meditation, you are advised to be in a state of nothingness. You don't have to think about anything. You have to be thoughtless, not thinking, not observing, not doing anything, just being there in this moment and enjoying the emptiness within you. While when we are talking about mindfulness, it is an activity where you're becoming aware of something. It is not nothingness, but it is awareness of something. Every time you are trying, whenever you are becoming mindful, you are trying to become aware of something. Let's understand this with a simple example. This moment you are listening to me, right? If you are mindful when I am talking, and now even if your mind is wandering around, you're realizing ki no, she is talking right now, I should be listening to her. So this is something that you're trying to focus on. This is what mindfulness is. Whereas in meditation what happens is you are advised to focus on nothing, absolutely nothing. Meditation mein you're talking about concentration, observation and awareness. While when we are talking about mindfulness, it is more or less about the present situation and being non-judgmental towards the present situations. So there are different types of meditations which are practiced all across the globe. जिसमें mindfulness meditation is one type. Breath awareness, visualization meditation. Then we have gratitude based meditations. We have loving caring type of meditations, we have past regression types of meditations, affirmation based meditations. So meditation बहुत सारी होती हैं and just mindfulness is only one type of meditation. Meditation is, फॉर मेडिटेशन आपको एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम निकाल के आना पड़ता है कि आज आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि आई विल डू 5 to 10 minutes ऑफ मेडिटेशन. आई विल सिट और लाई डाउन इन अ पर्टिकुलर पोजिशन एंड विल प्रैक्टिस माई मेडिटेशन. बट माइंडफुलनेस यू कैन डू इट एनी टाइम, anywhere, while doing your routine works also. So this is, you need to understand, this is a major difference. Mindfulness के लिए आपको कोई specific टाइम निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप अपना डेली काम भी कर रहे हो, आप अपने आसपास के लोगों से बात भी कर रहे हो, यू कैन स्टिल प्रैक्टिस माइंडफुलनेस एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम, बट यू कैन नॉट प्रैक्टिस मेडिटेशन एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम. मेडिटेशन के लिए यू हैव टू बी अवेयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. आपको खुद के लिए कहीं से भी टाइम निकालना पड़ेगा, अकेले में, विदाउट एनी डिस्टर्बेंस. एंड माइंडफुलनेस में अगर आप डिस्टर्ब हो भी रहे हो ना, तब भी आप अवेयर हो जाते हो, तो यू आर बिकमिंग माइंडफुल. मेडिटेशन एंड माइंडफुलनेस बोथ हेल्प्स यू इन योर ओवरऑल हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स, in your performance, you're improving your well-being, you're improving your focus, you are becoming more aware of yourself, you are spiritually very high, you emotionally heal quickly, you emotionally heal others quickly. Mindfulness also offers the similar benefit. Meditation is simple like what physical exercise is to our body. Similarly, meditation and mindfulness, both, this is one of the similarity is for the mind. If you don't have to sit for hours and hours in doing meditation to achieve better life for yourself, you can do it, you can achieve it just by following those basic techniques also जो मैंने आपको अभी तक बताई है ना, they are also very very useful. So this is the major differences or similarities between both of them. So now moving forward, I will be taking you through a guided meditation. Now there are certain things that you must remember whenever you are doing any meditation. So the major thing is that you should not meditate with your stomach full. You should give at least 2 hours time before meditating. You can practice it morning and before sleep is the best time, but it is not fixed. It won't be right if I say you have to practice only in morning and night. You can practice it anytime as per your own convenience also, but best result the meditation gives us during these 2 times. Then try and avoid any kind of distractions, like for example your own mobile phone. Keep it on a silent mode if you're practicing meditation on your own, but if you are practicing guided meditation, phone you have to, or any gadget that you have to take care of it, but try and avoid as much distractions as you can, and do not meditate while you're driving, right? So now if you are driving, I would request you not to meditate, but if you are not driving, I would request you to please sit in a comfortable position. Sit in a comfortable position, all of you. Fold your legs, keep your back straight. Your hands should be on your thighs and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, hold and release. Take another breath in, hold and release. Now focus on your breath while inhaling and exhaling. If any part of your body is feeling any soreness, any pain, just breathe in that particular area and let it go. Take a deep breath in and release. Take a deep breath in again and release. Do this couple more times. A deep breath in and release. Every time, with every breath you are taking, just see how the air, the life force is entering you, entering your body and soul through your nose till your stomach. Feel how your stomach rises and falls with every exhalation and inhalation. If any thought, any memory, any images is coming to your mind, it is perfectly alright to have them. Just acknowledge those thoughts, memories or images, whatever it is, and let it go. Come back to your breath. It's perfectly okay to have memories and thoughts, but you don't have to delve into them at this very moment. And don't feel bad about it. It's perfectly okay. Everything is okay at this very moment. Just acknowledge them, notice them, and let them pass. Come back to your breath. Our breath is our life force. It is one thing which keeps us alive. Just enjoy this beautiful force within you. Take few more deep breaths. Unless you reach a normal breathing of your own. And feel this emptiness, this hollowness, this stillness in you. This stillness is what truest form of meditation is. Even if you're able to accomplish few seconds of this stillness, we are there. Focus on the stillness without any thoughts, without any moment, without any feeling. Focus on your breath. With every inhalation, inhale love, happiness, peace, prosperity, kindness. And with every exhalation, release all the hatred, all the disagreements, all the sadness, all the pains, all the anxiety. Take a deep breath in with a beautiful smile. Yes, that beautiful smile of your face. And exhale. And when you're ready, open your eyes and smile.